Morning, guys. It's Thanksgiving morning.
Officially Campsgiving.
Officially Campsgiving. It's about almost 7 a.m. in the morning. We're just gonna get our day started, and we're gonna make some coffee. It's a little chilly this morning. Last night wasn't that bad. It was about 25 degrees, but the iCamper kept us warm. We got a
pretty good.
couple sleeping bags in there. Only had one layer, and stayed pretty warm. Milo, I think, stayed warm. Got his own jacket and everything. But yeah, it's Thanksgiving. We'll cook some food today and just hang out for the rest of the day over here. Is everyone ready for some coffee? You too, Milo?
I've been holding in everything. I just wanna say the words out loud. I won't let it get the best of me. Gravity holds the key for me now.
Hey guys, we just woke up from a nap. We had a long morning. It was kind of cold. We plan on cooking our Thanksgiving dinner for lunch this time around. We're just afraid it's gonna be too dark later when we're cooking dinner. We kind of have the chicken defrosting right now over here. Alan's gonna cut it up soon, get it cleaned up. Once that's all done, we don't have any real recipes, so we plan on doing some stuffing, cream of mushroom soup, and some type of apple crumble pie. Let's see how it goes.
Ready for dinner.
Yum with the stuffing and potatoes. And then I got the cream of mushroom cooking right now. Still trying to let it boil. I'm excited to eat.
Milo, are you excited to eat? I've been eating.
Good morning. Watching sunrise. Hi guys, it's Friday morning. Alan and I had a really good dinner last night, and due to the California wildfires, their campfires aren't allowed at this time, so it made it really hard to stay warm last night. we did pack up to go to sleep. And by the time we got all comfortable, we checked our clocks and realized that it was 5:49. So you guys, we went to sleep before 6 o'clock. We've been in our camper for 12 hours just to stay warm, and I didn't have time to make the dessert that I wanted to last night. So woke up this morning to catch sunrise and make coffee and some of that apple crumble pie type of thing that I was supposed to make. We're gonna chill here for a couple of hours and head home. Hope everybody had a good and safe Thanksgiving. Water's frozen.
I've been holding in every. I just wanna say the words out loud. I won't let it get the best of me. Gravity holds the key for me now. I'm ready to fall. I'm leaving it all behind. I'm ready to fall. All of these ghosts, I'm letting them go this time. So cut the line. I'm ready to fall.